All right, let's break down what a professional gutter tune-up really involves before winter hits.
Because you know those overflowing gutters in the fall? They're a huge problem once it freezes.
And that problem can cost you about $3,000 on average for water damage repairs.
Clogged gutters can lead to all of this, especially with our crazy freeze-thaw cycles.
But a tune-up now is just a fraction of the cost of a massive repair bill later.
So what do the pros actually do? Let's walk through the 7 key steps.
First up, the clean out. You gotta get all that gunk and debris out of there. And this is way more than just scooping leaves. It's a full system flush and flow test.
Step 2 is all about sealing leaks. Every seam and corner gets checked and reinforced.
This stops those small drips that turn into huge, icy problems and protects your foundation.
Next, making them strong. Your gutters have to hold up to some serious snow and ice. That means replacing any missing hangers to stop the gutters from sagging or breaking off.
Okay, step 4 is a game changer. It's all about how the gutters are attached.
Pros pull out old loose nails and use modern tech screws for a much stronger hold.
Now that they're secure, we got to make sure water is actually flowing the right way.
This is called the pitch, that slight angle that keeps water moving to the downspout.
The magic number? A 1/4 inch drop for every 10 feet. They'll adjust it perfectly.
Getting that pitch right means no standing water, so no ice dams and no mosquitoes.
Step 6 is the sign of a true professional, the cleanup.
They bag everything up and leave your property looking spotless, no mess left behind.
And finally, step 7. This is what it's all really about, peace of mind.
You can just relax, knowing your home is ready for whatever a New Hampshire winter throws at it.
So, is your home ready? Because a quick tune-up now can literally save you thousands later.